I bet you didn't know that alchemy is more than just turning metals into gold. Alchemy. The word itself conjures up images of bubbling cauldrons, mysterious symbols, and ancient wisdom. It evokes a sense of wonder and curiosity about the secrets of the universe. Alchemy is a fascinating blend of science, philosophy, and spirituality. It is a discipline that seeks to understand the deeper connections between the physical and metaphysical worlds. It is the ancient practice of trying to transform base metals into gold, a process that symbolizes the quest for perfection and enlightenment. It is also about transforming the human soul, seeking inner purity and spiritual growth. Alchemists believed in a hidden order to the universe, a cosmic blueprint that could be deciphered through their work. They used observation and experimentation, meticulously recording their findings and refining their techniques. Their goal was to uncover the secrets of life and matter. Alchemists were pioneers, laying the groundwork for future scientific endeavors. They were the first to explore chemistry and medicine, blending practical knowledge with mystical insights. They developed laboratory techniques that are still used today, such as distillation and crystallization. Their quest to understand the world around them laid the foundation for modern science, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary knowledge. I bet you didn't know that alchemy's roots can be traced back to ancient Egypt, a civilization known for its profound wisdom and mystical practices. The Egyptians were masters of metallurgy and crafts, creating intricate artifacts that have stood the test of time. They developed sophisticated techniques for working with metals, blending art and science seamlessly. The Egyptians believed in the power of magic and ritual, seeing them as essential to their daily lives and spiritual well-being. They saw the divine in nature, believing that every element held a piece of the god's essence. Egyptian priests practiced a form of alchemy known as chemia, which was deeply intertwined with their religious and spiritual practices. Chemia involved using herbs, minerals, and other substances for healing and spiritual purposes, aiming to transform both the body and the soul. The Egyptians believed that metals were imbued with spiritual significance, each metal holding unique properties and energies. For example, gold represented the sun and immortality, symbolizing eternal life and divine power. This connection between the material and the spiritual formed the core of alchemical thought, influencing future generations of alchemists and mystics. I don't think people understand how the torch of alchemy passed from the Egyptians to the Greeks, who were eager to explore and expand upon this ancient knowledge. The Greeks were natural philosophers, deeply curious about the world around them. They sought to understand the world through reason, observation, and logical thinking, laying the groundwork for modern science. Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle made significant contributions to alchemical theory and philosophy. They believed that all matter was composed of four fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water, a concept that influenced scientific thought for centuries. The most influential figure in Greek alchemy was Hermes Trismegistus, a legendary sage. He is a legendary figure shrouded in mystery, often associated with wisdom and esoteric knowledge. Hermes Trismegistus is credited with writing the Emerald Tablet, a cornerstone of alchemical literature. The Emerald Tablet is a foundational text in alchemy, revered for its profound insights. It contains cryptic sayings about the nature of the universe and the secrets of transformation, inspiring countless generations of alchemists and philosophers. I bet you didn't know how alchemy thrived in the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire embraced Greek culture and knowledge. Alchemy continued to flourish under Roman rule. Roman alchemists focused on practical applications. They experimented with new alloys and developed techniques for dyeing textiles. They also made advances in medicine and pharmacology. However, the Roman Empire's fall in the 5th century AD marked a turning point for alchemy. With the decline of Roman institutions, knowledge was scattered. Alchemy, along with other intellectual pursuits, went into decline in Western Europe. Am I the only one that didn't know about the golden age of alchemy in the Middle Ages? Alchemy experienced a resurgence in the Middle Ages. Islamic scholars played a crucial role in preserving and transmitting ancient knowledge. They translated Greek and Egyptian texts into Arabic. These translations eventually made their way to Europe. Alchemy captured the imagination of medieval Europe. Kings and nobles patronized alchemists, hoping to discover the secret of turning lead into gold. This period saw the rise of many famous alchemists, including Roger Bacon and Albertus Magnus. I bet you didn't know Paracelsus and the birth of modern chemistry. The Renaissance marked a turning point in the history of alchemy. One figure stands out during this period, Paracelsus. Paracelsus was a Swiss physician and alchemist. He challenged traditional alchemical thought. He rejected the idea of the philosopher's stone. He believed that alchemy should focus on medicine. Paracelsus pioneered the use of minerals and chemicals in medicine. He believed that diseases had natural causes and could be treated with specific remedies. His work laid the foundation for modern pharmacology. What's something people don't know about alchemy's enduring legacy? By the 17th century, alchemy began to decline. The rise of modern science, with its emphasis on observation, experimentation, and the scientific method, gradually replaced alchemy. However, alchemy's influence can still be felt today. Many alchemical concepts and symbols found their way into modern chemistry. The alchemists' pursuit of knowledge and their experiments with matter paved the way for the development of modern chemistry. Alchemy may be a thing of the past, but its legacy continues to inspire and intrigue us.